Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is VEVOR Automatic Weighing Filling Machine. The nuts packaging machine is made of food-grade stainless steel, safe for food processing, resistant to corrosion, rust, acid, and alkali. 4 casters are convenient for the move. Easy to operate and maintain for better operation of the machine. This particle filler sealing machine is suitable for the filter paper, composite film, aluminum foil bags, non-woven fabrics, oil paper, heat-sealed plastic bags, and other heat-sealing packaging materials. The automatic weighing filling packing machine uses microcomputer control. The calculation is more accurate and faster. It makes the weighing and filling process scientific and less error. Double digital control screens are easy to understand, saving your time. The automatic powder filling machine is combined with a weighing machine and sealing machine. The weighing, blanking, packaging, and cutting processes are controlled by microcomputer. It is equipped with 2 vibration systems, so the packaging will be smooth. Number 2 in this best packing machine list is Sumeve Particle and Powder Filling Machine. This machine is vibration makes some powder fall off the edge onto the scale. It stops vibrating when your target weight is hit. There are 3 speed settings. The speeds change the vibration intensity of the pan. The slow setting is the quietest and it's actually still pretty fast. With multi-point vibration design smooth filling, low noise. The machine is made of stainless steel, easy to clean and maintain. Automatic weighing and filling microcomputer control sub-package, using electronic weighing technology, high filling accuracy, can be used for packaging powder and particles with high efficiency. Suitable for filling dry powder such as flour, milk powder, coffee powder, chemical powder and other dry powder, dry particulate matter such as grains, beans, seeds, fruits, tea, etc.
Our third choice is HayWHNKN Automatic Liquid Filling Packaging Machine. This product is suitable for all kinds of liquid and chili sauce, oils, beverage, etc. The filling volume range is between 10 milliliters to 100 milliliters. And the machine should connect air compressor for working. The air compressor exhaust should not be less than 0.1 cubic meters per minute, equipped with pressure should be able to adjust a 0.4-0.9 MPa range. The yellow button is a one-touch cleaning function. After clicking it, the machine can automatically clean the internal channels. The hopper connection adopts removable snap design without screws, easy to disassemble and clean. Equipped with a horizontal mixing stainless steel hopper which makes the filling particles more uniform, high-quality piston, PTFE piston, wear resistance, good sealing, durable. This liquid mixing filling and sealer machine is controlled by a pneumatic valve, which can change the filling speed, and you can adjust the amount of filling by the handle. The liquid filling and packing machine adopts microcomputer control, with the cursor positioning, automatic detection and automatic fault diagnosis etc. function. Bag making, filling, sealing, cutting and bags counting can be done automatically.
Fourth pick in this best packing machine list is VEVOR Particle Filling Machine. This filling machine features a transparent window on top, so you can keep an eye on operations and prevent any jams. The 304 stainless steel hopper ensures food security while providing ample capacity. Plus, adjustable baffles allow you to control the flow rate effortlessly. It's a breeze to operate and incredibly efficient, saving you time and effort. Before purchasing our particle filling machine, please note that certain materials are not applicable. Steel balls or glass beads tend to build up static electricity. Sticky substances may not flow smoothly, and wet or puffed foods might cause blockages. With its built-in dual-stage vibration motor, our particle filling machine ensures accuracy within plus or minus 10 G. Fill anything from 10 grams to 1,000 grams effortlessly. Compared to single vibration ones, our dual vibration motor provides better discharge, avoiding any leftovers inside. Take charge effortlessly. The automatic granule filling machine boasts an intelligent control panel, allowing you to adjust filling weights and speeds with ease for different materials. It's multifunctional and oh so easy to use. Our fifth and last choice is LyeXD automatic particle filling machine. This filling machine is suitable for various types of goods, including particles and even larger items like peanuts. It provides flexibility in packaging different materials, making it ideal for a range of industries. With its user-friendly interface, this machine is easy to operate. It features a computer board that allows you to adjust the weight of the packaging items according to your requirements. Made of high-quality stainless steel, this particle filling machine is durable and built to last. The machine is equipped with a foot switch that allows for easy release of the material during the filling process. It also comes with protective features to prevent particle from entering the motherboard, ensuring its longevity and safe operation. This filling machine can flexibly complete product packing and filling through simple intelligent settings, and has the advantages of efficiency, accuracy, and cost saving. It has a super large capacity and 2 filling outlets, which can adapt to various materials and packaging containers.